Using a step stool, carefully remove the top solar panel by turning it to the left. Remove the ribs from the canopy pockets and position the handle up about 12 inches as shown. Using a power drill or screwdriver, remove the screw located on the main pole and open the Velcro strip on the side of the canopy. Remove the canopy from the umbrella frame. Unfold the new canopy, flip it inside out and place your arm inside the canopy as shown. Place your fingers at the top of the umbrella frame and flip the canopy over the frame as shown. Close the canopy using the Velcro strips and screw the canopy onto the main pole using a power drill or screwdriver. Place the ribs into the canopy pockets and place the top solar panel back on the umbrella by turning it to the right. Test the umbrella using the crank to open and close it, making sure the canopy is properly installed.